1995 DR 6110 that's filed within the Hillsborough County court. There's no evidence showing of good cause, and there definitely was no extension of time to serve process. Now, let's move furthermore. When there's an issue involving a defective service, and as we go to, and I want to make sure I get the proper date in the court's record, after the service allegedly was made in 1999, there was no activity, and the clerk issued a default judgment. The clerk's default judgment would be rendered void because it was an improper service of process. And I'll give you the exact date. I'm working with a couple of different things right now, but we see on 6/1 is when you allegedly served. On 7/19/1999, if you look at the clerk's docket, it said a motion for default and default entered. Well, there's no response, but the default would be rendered void because of the defective service. And unless somebody's going to offer anything counter to what the rule would, what the law and well-established case law would require that you have to do, I would just have you just note that for the record. So since there's no objection, we'll move forward. Furthermore, as in looking at the final judgment, which you do have a copy of that one as well, I did submit that. And oddly enough, my portal was acting a little quirky on Thursday and Friday, so I couldn't submit it electronically, but I'm glad that the clerk did make it available for you. And also, I see that I made a filing on the 31st that didn't appear in the record today. Maybe it's just a matter of the court or the clerk updating the record. But if you go to your binder with the supplemental authority,
I don't have any binders, sir, but I have what's filed as docket entry 179, 125. I said 150, but it's 125 pages that were filed on March 28th. I'm not aware of anything filed March 31st.